It's just a pram blanket, so it's not that big, about 25 to 30 inches, but it's a little rainbow with bobbles on the end. I made this cardigan. It's been half of two tutorials of somebody else, so we'll try and link them below as well if I can. I have also done this one. It must be baby season. All the babies coming up in the nice warm winter woolies. And these little buttons, they're just off Amazon, handmade with love. So all this is a double knit Baby Lovey, which I have the tutorial on my channel as well. Oh, bloody cute. I can't remember the girl's name that this tutorial was of, but it's the first, probably the first one that comes up. And because I wanted to do it small, I've just done it with a 3mm